Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is also about skincare, which I'm doing since a very long time, but this is a very important video just because it's summers, and even last time I made a lot of videos just because it was summertime, and right now it's getting too hot, especially in Delhi. So this particular video is all about the summer skincare routine. The topic I'll be covering today is all about aloe vera. So I know that you have heard about aloe vera a lot of times. It's every now and then everyone tells you aloe vera is good, but I really want to tell you what are the actual benefits of aloe vera, and it's one of the best remedies, I would say, for each and every skin problem that you have. I have tried it myself. Let's start with the benefits of aloe vera. Basically, aloe vera helps you for a lot of skin problems. It has a cooling tendency, so you know, if you have inflammation in your skin, you have redness, patchiness all over your skin, and you have acne. Actually, yes, acne is the biggest problem we have today, and for all the teenagers, especially me, when I was in my teens, I used to get so much acne, like I can't even explain it to you. I was so horrified during that period. But aloe vera actually helps. It is one of the remedies which is natural, first of all, so you know, you don't have to worry about that you're putting a lot of chemicals on your face. So I think this is the best thing that you can use if you are scared and you have a sensitive skin like me. Firstly, aloe vera has a cooling tendency, which I've already told you. It helps in skin burn because it has cooling tendencies. Just in case you've gone for your vacation in Goa and you come back and you have sunburn all over your face, you just have to use aloe vera, and that's about it. It also moisturizes your face. It helps healing the scars and any wound that you have. Also, it fights skin aging, so anyone of any age can use it, and I'm sure even people who are under 20, 16, 17, 18, because it has no side effects, even you can use it for your acne and everything, for a very clear skin. I've been always using aloe vera because I had a sensitive skin. I couldn't use, you know, a product from the market. I have tried it, but it used to peel my skin too much. So I have always used aloe vera, so that's why I'm very sure about this particular thing. Okay, so now telling you all the benefits about aloe vera, I really want to introduce one particular product which I have recently used, and it is infused of aloe vera but in a very different form. I wish I could get this particular product 5 years back, but I don't know, I didn't know it by then. But right now I really want to introduce it. It's a very nice product. Guys, this is aloe vera sleeping mask by Wow Skin Science. As I've told you, it's a very different product because I have used aloe vera gel and all, you know, everything, but this particular is a sleeping pack. It's a sleeping mask. Basically, what is it made of is aloe leaf juice, green tea extract and hyaluronic acid. It is basically used overnight so that you can get a fresh, clear and beautiful skin once you get up. Aloe vera sleeping mask give your skin the overnight gift of freshness with Wow Skin Science. Its refreshing, non-greasy, non-sticky formulation spreads evenly and gets absorbed quickly into the skin. It gently and slowly releases plentiful nutrition and moisturize through the night into the skin, and you wake up to look softer, fresher and younger in the morning. The good part about aloe vera is that it suits all skin types because it's a natural ingredient itself, so it will have no side effects. So this is the best thing, that just in case you want to go with this particular thing just because you have a sensitive skin, you can totally without thinking go for this particular product. So now let's talk about how do we use this particular product at night. After cleaning and moisturizing your face before bedtime, apply a thin and even layer all over your face and neck, avoiding area around eyes and mouth. Let it remain overnight, wash off in the morning and apply moisturizer after that. You will get a very fresh, you know, and a baby skin. So guys, it's for 349 rupees. It's value for money totally, so you can go and buy it anytime, and it doesn't have any side effects because I have used it. I've been using it past a week, I think now, and it's amazing. You can totally try. So guys, that was all in the video today. Hope you like it. I will come up with another video in 2-3 days itself. I'm sorry I got delayed this particular time. I had told you that I'll be coming on 17th, but it took a lot of time. I'm sorry for the delay. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.